Hello guys, welcome to the good one. My name is Bhavishya and this is a Photoshop Monday. So Photoshop Mondays is a series I'll be running where I'll be providing tips, tricks and tutorials related to Photoshop. So hope you enjoy it. So today we'll be creating a picture similar to this. So let's get started. First make a new document. Keep it 1920 by 1080. Now let's drag a image of the bulb and place it according to your needs. Now let's place an image of the water and resize it. If you can't see what's behind, set the opacity to 50% and you'll get an idea of what's behind, and place it somewhere out here. Set the opacity back to 100%. Now you can hide the visibility of the outer layer and select the layer with the bulb. Select the quick selection tool and select the white area. Once you are done, make the underwater layer visible, select it and create a layer mask. Now that you have created a layer mask, set the blending mode to multiply. Now let's create a small bubbles out here. So create a new layer, select the brush tool, set the size to 13 pixels, hardness to 100% and select the hard round brush. Now go to the brush window. If you can't see the brush window, go to the window and click F5 or select the brush from here. Now select brush tip shape and set it to 13 pixels. Set the spacing to 165%. Select shape dynamics. Size jitter to 33%. Set the minimum diameter to 44%. Set the angle jitter to say 6%. Roundness jitter to 100%. Control to pen pressure and minimum roundness to 31%. Or let's keep it 40. Select scattering. Set the scattering to say 357%. Keep the count to 1 and the count jitter to 0%. Set the control to pen pressure and that's it. Close the window. Now let's put the bubbles out here. They don't look like bubbles, right? Double click on the layer and open the blending options. Select bevel and emboss. Set the softness to 7 pixels. Style to inner bevel. Technique will be smooth. Direction will be up and the depth will be 100%. Set the size to around 9 pixels. Untick global light and set the degree to 30 degree and press OK. Set the blending mode to multiply. Now let's insert a fish. This image of Dory looks good. Make it small and place it out here. That doesn't look right yet. Select the blending mode to multiply. That looks good. Now we'll add a background to it. Go and select the water layer you have selected before and bring it to the last. There's a problem with the background, right? Let's quickly remove it and continue. Now let's make some changes to the background's opacity and change it to around 63%. Now create a group of some layers. Double tap on it and make all the necessary changes in the blending options and click OK when done. So that's all from this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to share your creations with me on my Facebook and Twitter accounts. You could also share it with me on my Instagram account with hashtag #thegoodone. See you guys in the next one.